What's up, guys? We are at camp. We're about to head out. We're gonna go do some trails. We got in kind of late, so didn't get any real good video of the camp, but the new tires did great. We did a bunch of wheeling. Clear it up now, but they're looking good. It's looking way better without the silly tent on top. We got our Gazelle set up. Did our first night in that. Kind of the two cots right there. A little bit of a mess, but we're great. Now we're gonna be able to leave all our stuff in there, and nothing's in the GX, so we're gonna be able to mob it. It's gonna be a good time. Got it all leveled out, so our eating platform back there is good. Also, I threw on right before we left these new well visors. Not sponsoring anything, but I saw them a lot. They're only like 60 bucks, but they're super nice. They're way better than my China ones. I got like these little clips that like hold stuff on. That's pretty nice. But got Lisa, they got their clamshell. Anthony's got his like REI 10 over there. Cooper over there. Got Edward. Oh my god. Yeah. Jake's got his Tundra and stuff, so. And you see, right over there, there's some mountains over there with some snow still, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, we'll get some video today, probably get some shots of Lynn driving, and I can get some cool pics for the gram, because that's all we're out here for, is for the gram. So stick around, see you guys. So we got, we're in like the town of Tin Cup. Cool little mountain town. But we got Pete and his Xterra. We got Nitto's too. We got Will's 4Runner. He's on 31 still. We got Betty White. We got Glenn. You can get really see the difference between 285 70s and the 75 and the 34's. Glenn. Paul's the over 2, he's on 33 by 10.5. And Lisa's on 33, 12.5. How again this. And there's Jake. Jake didn't bring his 4Runner because the wheel bearings are blown. Okay guys, we finally made it to these snow drifts. Oh, you can see the GX already pretty muddy, but not as bad as we thought. But up there is a Jeep that got stuck, so Paul's gonna pull him out. But we'll get I'll show you what's going on up there, but not too bad. I've had some fun. Everybody's parked pretty photogenic, so I gotta get some shots. Check out my Instagram for those. Oh, shit. Woo! Just all of a sudden gets super soft. Well, we can get plenty of sends in. We got plenty of winch. Okay, put it go. Okay, oh. He probably stop. He's good. Stop. So usually when you stop moving, you just like let off a little bit. Turtle. Driver! Oh, stop!
You got it, nice. Come on, Pete, send it. You got it.
Will. Oh, kidding.
Yep. Hold up. Let me get this slick spot for you. We're testing these traction boards for sure. But hey, it's still intact. Amazon. Here, let me help you. Dig it. Let me get one in your so you can back up. That was real close.
Super stuck. That got so much deeper.
No, I think they might have made it worse.
Yeah. Lisa, can you repeat that?
The consensus from the turds is we're just going to hang out and let you off around, and then I'm going to go pee.
So Lisa, they all got stuck because the 4Runner can't make it. But look who made it. The Jeep, the Xterra, the Chevy, and the GX. But on their fairness, the side-by-sides came through and ripped it up, so. But the Jeep's gonna come through and snowplow because you got that nice big fat diff.
Oh, I might be in his way.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Don't do too much, you don't hit the tree. Dude, he just took like a load of snow off. Okay, we got done with the obstacle. Everybody chickened out. They couldn't make it. So we're going back down, but we're gonna get some lunch and maybe hit something on the way down. But pretty fun. We're super impressed with the new tires because this thing's like a snowmobile. I mean, the GX was already better than all the rest of the rigs, but now it's even better. See, Lynn's? She agrees. So we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Enjoy some B-roll and some views. Appreciate you guys watching. We made it back to camp. Looking a little dirty. Not too bad though. Expected more. And stuff's all not too dirty. It's pretty windy, but tents staying good. Oh, Lisa already washed it off. But they went through a mud puddle on me. Soaked. Muddy. Is it muddy? And then Pete got a new paint job. I think you really did every inch of it.
Yeah,
Oops,
it's even underneath the ladder mount.
That's terrible.
Right?
Edward, what do you think about that? But we're gonna get our food ready and just chill. Catch up with you guys later. So we are headed out, packing up. Everybody's pretty much packed up. Old Screaming Seaman JL on Instagram, check him out. They showed up. I'm gonna go run some hard trails and stuff, but the tent did great. 2 cots were great, and that's definitely gonna be our setup. That's way better for our type of camping, where we like to just stay somewhere for the weekend, just put all our crap in there and go wheeling. So appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, you know, give me a like, comment, subscribe for more content. See you guys later. Bye.